Are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting to explore the world of smoked meats, having the right smoker is crucial for unlocking deep flavors and tender textures. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best smokers on the market, highlighting their unique features, versatility, and what makes them stand out. Join us as we delve into options that cater to every skill level and budget, ensuring your next barbecue is unforgettable. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Weber Original Kettle 22-inch, our find for best budget smoker. If you're looking to turn your Weber kettle grill into a versatile smoker, you've come to the right place. Whether you own the 18-inch, 22-inch, or 26-inch model, this classic charcoal grill offers unique flexibility, allowing you to smoke your favorite foods without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. The design of the Weber kettle makes it easier than you might think to create an effective smoking environment. Simply build a small charcoal bed on one side and place your cooking grate on the other. For optimal results, consider using Weber's char basket charcoal holders and some aluminum foil as a heat deflector. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how well this grill retains heat, even with thinner steel compared to traditional smokers. When the lid is securely in place, maintaining a steady temperature to smoke your meats is a breeze. Additionally, the kettle allows you to cook over direct heat without a hitch. You can easily char veggies or grill hot dogs while your brisket is slowly smoking away. While a massive offset barrel smoker might draw attention, the Weber kettle is more than capable of impressing your guests at a small gathering. With a cooking area of 363 square inches and features like a removable ash catcher, hinged cooking grate, and lid thermometer, your kettle grill is not just a grill. It's a compact smoking powerhouse waiting for your culinary creativity. Number 4. Cuisinart COS-330 Vertical, our find for best smoker for beginners. If you're a barbecue enthusiast who feels daunted by the intricacies of low and slow cooking, the Cuisinart COS-330 might just be the perfect solution for you. This user-friendly electric smoker allows you to easily set and maintain your desired cooking temperature, ensuring consistent results without the hassle of tending to a traditional fire. While electric smokers offer remarkable convenience, it's essential to acknowledge that they may not produce the same depth of flavor as those driven by charcoal or wood. The COS-330 does include a wood chip holder, which helps infuse your food with some woodsy notes, but it's unlikely to replicate the rich profiles of specific hardwoods like cherry or hickory. Despite trading some traditional techniques for ease of use, the COS-330 is an excellent choice for beginners or casual cooks. With 562 square inches of cooking space spread across 3 shelves, it provides ample room for experimentation without overwhelming you. Plus, its cost-efficient price point is a significant bonus, making it accessible for anyone looking to dive into the world of smoking. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or simply trying your hand at a new culinary skill, the Cuisinart COS-330 is a fantastic gift for anyone curious about the art of barbecue. Embrace your journey into flavorful smoked dishes with this convenient electric option. Still searching for the perfect smoker? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Camp Chef 24-inch Vertical, our find for best gas smoker. If you're on the hunt for a reliable smoker, the Camp Chef should be at the top of your list. It has consistently impressed testers across various categories. Its construction is solid and stable, ensuring that your smoking experience is both enjoyable and productive. With its vault-like design, the smoker effectively seals in the smoke, allowing you to control the flavor precisely with dampers located at the top and bottom. Imagine serving perfectly smoked chicken wings, succulent salmon, and fall-off-the-bone ribs to your friends and family. With the Camp Chef, you'll achieve just that, as it creates delectable dishes without any harsh, acrid flavors. You'll love how the skin of the chicken wings crisps up while the meat stays moist. The ribs develop a pleasant bark, something rare for gas smokers, and a beautiful smoke ring to boot. While assembling the smoker can present some challenges, particularly aligning certain pieces, it's well worth the effort. Once you familiarize yourself with the baffle system, you'll find that consistent smoking becomes a breeze. Plus, with wood chips and water lasting longer, you can enjoy more hands-off time. Cleanup is easy, thanks to a drip pan that captures drippings and a removable bottom piece. Whether you're a novice or an experienced smoker, the Camp Chef offers control and simplicity, making your culinary journey a joy. Number 2. Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital, our find for best electric smoker. If you're looking for an accessible way to dive into smoking, the Masterbuilt smoker is an excellent choice. Setting it up is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions that guide you through each step, making the process less daunting for beginners. However, enlisting a second set of hands can make assembly even smoother. Once set up, you'll appreciate the solid construction, which effectively prevents unwanted smoke from escaping. As you load your favorite meats, you'll find the sturdy racks come equipped with stops, ensuring they don't slide out completely. The chip tube is conveniently located and easy to refill, which is helpful since you may need to top it up a couple of times during your cooking sessions. The digital controls are user-friendly, allowing you to maintain consistent heat for optimal results. Imagine your ribs and chicken emerging from the smoker, both incredibly moist and infused with a delightful smoke flavor. While you might hope for a bit more bark on your smoked dishes, it's important to remember that this is a characteristic of electric smokers. With dimensions of 26 by 41 by 20 inches and a weight of 73 pounds, this smoker boasts a cooking area of 970 square inches, providing ample space for all your culinary creations. Dive into the world of smoking with confidence. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Traeger Pro 575, our find for best smoker overall. Whether you're a beginner in the world of barbecuing or a seasoned pitmaster, the Traeger Pro 575 pellet grill is designed to make your grilling experience easier and more enjoyable. Known for its hassle-free operation, this grill ensures consistent temperature and smoke, allowing you to cook your food to perfection without the usual stress. One of the crucial factors in achieving great results is heat retention. With the Traeger Pro 575, you'll benefit from its sturdy construction, made with the thickest steel among its competitors under $1,000. It maintains a temperature within 5 degrees of your set target, giving you confidence as you cook. Taking convenience to the next level, the Pro 575 allows you to control the temperature via Wi-Fi and your smartphone, making it easy to keep an eye on your cook from anywhere. Though you might encounter connectivity issues if the grill is too far from your router, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. While Traeger may have limited accessories, the Pro 575 excels in its primary functions, smoking and grilling at up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking for a reliable, durable pellet grill that stands the test of time, the Traeger Pro 575 is a worthwhile investment. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which smoker you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.